Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting Olympiad mathematics problem. We're given the following equation: 1 over a plus 1 over b is equal to 1 all over 7. And here we're going to find the sum of a and b. How can we solve for a and b when we have just a single equation with two different unknowns? This kind of equation is called Diophantine equation. But are you aware we can find the sum of a and b without first finding the value for a and b? So let's see the trick. So here we go. For the given equation, we have 1 all over a plus 1 over b. This is equal to 1 divided by 7, right? From here, we know the LCM of a and b is a times b, right? So here we have the following. This LCM divided by a, we are left with b, plus this LCM divided by b, we are left with a. Therefore, this is equal to 1 divided by 7. Cross multiply 7 into bracket b plus a is same as a plus b, right? So this will be equal to a times b times this one here, which is a times b. Open this bracket, we get 7a plus 7b. Then subtract this AB and everything is equal to 0, right? In our next step, let us subtract 49 from both sides. I have reason for that, right? So we're going to subtract 49 from both sides. But before we do that, 7a minus AB will group as follows: 7a minus AB, then plus 7b, then subtract 49 from both sides. So 0 minus 49 is still negative 49, right? So here we see that a is common. Factor out a, we are left with 7 minus b, right? Then plus here, this place we can factor out negative 7, right? So let's factor out negative 7. Then if you factor out negative 7, negative 49 divided by negative 7 will give us positive 7. Plus 7b divided by negative 7 will give us negative b. Then this is equal to negative 49. Simplifying, a into bracket 7 minus b. Here plus times minus is minus 7 here. Then 7 minus b. This is equal to negative 49. Okay, so we can see 7 minus b is common. So factor it out. 7 minus b into bracket, we have a minus b. So we can see the left hand side is already factorized. So whenever we're dealing with Diophantine equation, we need to work on the right hand side of the equation, which is involving only number, right? So now we know negative 49 is equal to the following: negative 1 multiplied by 49, right? Okay. Negative 49 multiplied by positive 1, negative 7 multiplied by 7. Okay, so from here we have three cases. So in our case 1, but before that, let us assume that a minus 7 is greater than 7 minus b, right? So in our case 1 here, we have a minus 7 to be equal to, here we have 49, right? And 7 minus b equal to negative 1, right? So for us to obtain a plus b from here, we need to subtract both equations. So a minus b will give us a plus b. So you can see the minus 7 will give us negative 14, right? So this is equal to 49 minus 1 will give us 50. So from here now, if we add 14 to both sides, so we get this first solution: a plus b is equal to 64. So this is our first solution for a plus b. Then in our second case here, so we have a minus 7. Let's assume that it is less than 7 minus b. So we're going to let it equals negative 1. And 7 minus b here, we're going to let 49, right? So making use of this first one here, right? So we just made use of this one in this first case, and this one in the second case, right? So if you subtract both equations, you know we have a plus 7, a plus b minus 14. I think this is what we have. Then minus 1 minus 49 will give us negative 50. So from here now, if you add 14 to both sides, so that will give us negative. So we get a plus b is also equal to, so negative 50 plus 14 will give us negative 36, right? Yes. So we have a plus b is also equal to negative 36. Then our final case, a minus 7, we assume here it is greater than 7 minus b. So remember we are left with negative 7 and 7, so this will be positive. And then for 7 minus b here, this is negative 7. Okay, so we're going to subtract these equations. So remember this left hand side will always be a plus b minus 14. So this is equal to 7 minus 7 is 14. So if we add 14 to both sides, so we get a plus b is equal to 14 plus 14, which is 28. So you can see we have 3 solutions for a plus b. Awesome. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share.